everyone. My name is Adetola Kombiemu, and we'll be taking our fourth lesson for this course, LIS 107. The topic is computer storage devices. In this course, you're going to learn about what a computer storage device is. You're going to learn about the various types, and we're also going to look at the various uses of computer storage device. This lesson is going to be an interesting and an easy one, and I bet you're going to enjoy every bit of it.
Good day, everyone. My name is Adetola Akombiemu. Like I said earlier, we're going to be looking at computer storage and types of storage devices. At the end of this lesson, I expect us to have been able to understand what a computer storage device is. We should be able to explain the various types of storage devices and how to use the storage devices. Now, before we look at computer storage, let's look at what a storage is. A storage is a process of saving information in a computer memory device or any memory device, which may be temporarily or permanently. Now, a computer storage is a process in which a computer retains processed digital data and information in the memory, which may be for a short period or for a longer period of time. Storage in the computer are classified into two. We have the volatile storage, which is also known as the primary, and we have the non-volatile storage, which is also known as the secondary storage. Primary storage holds data in memory for a short period of time and it stores data faster when it is being used. The kind of data stored in the primary storage of a computer system is lost instantly when the power light goes off. So what that means is that there is a need for constant power supply to keep the data and information stored on the computer system. Under the primary storage device, we have the random access memory and we also have the cache memory. Random access memory, which is also known as RAM, allows the computer to store information temporarily. But if the computer shuts down or switches off, all the data in the RAM will be wiped out. So for you to use your RAM, the system has to be running. For the RAM to save your information, your data temporarily, the computer system have to be running. It has to be on. We also have the cache memory. The cache memory is also a primary memory storage, which can be found in the CPU. What it does is that it helps to reduce the time or energy that data uses in accessing itself from the main memory of the computer. It also stores copies of frequently used data and information from the main memory. The secondary storage or the non-volatile storage stores written data or information that will last for a longer period of time. It doesn't require a constant power in order to retain the data or information stored on it. It will retain data or information stored on it as long as you delete it, as long as you no longer need it. So the secondary storage device stores almost all the programs and computer applications, even the operating system, the data and device drivers, stores everything. You can also call the secondary storage an offline storage or an external memory. Examples of secondary storage devices. I said we have our hard drive. Our hard drive is an external storage device that is usually connected to the computer system. It comes in different sizes. It comes in 128 gig, 256 gig, 1 terabyte. The hard drive can also be internal. When it's internal, it is embedded in a computer, and that is what stores the programs, applications of the computer system. We also have the solid state drive. The solid state drive is also found in the computer system. But the difference between the solid state drive and the hard drive is that the solid state drive will not crash easily. We have the USB, we have the SDC. SDC is what's usually known as the memory card. A lot of us have it. We also have the compact disc, which is circular, which is usually used to store audio, usually audio. It cannot store video because it's limited in capacity. But the DVD is the one that is not limited in capacity. We also have the floppy diskette. The floppy diskette is a form of storage which has been in use for a long time, but right now is being phased out. And then the tape drive is the one which is being used by people of those days, to store audio. Now, in this class today, we have learned what computer storage is, and we learned that it's classified into two, primary and non-volatile. We also learned that knowing these storage devices can help you in understanding information processing in the computer storage. It can also help you in providing um, library and information services to users. Thank you for listening. Bye.